The Jacob & Company Bugatti Chiron watch is a luxury timepiece inspired by the iconic Bugatti Chiron hypercar, reflecting its design elements and engineering prowess. Crafted with premium materials like titanium, carbon fiber, and sapphire crystal, the watch embodies durability and style reminiscent of the hypercar's construction. Innovative features and complications pay homage to Bugatti's engineering excellence, possibly including unique dial designs or tourbillon movements. Produced in limited quantities, the watch is highly sought after by collectors for its exclusivity and collaboration between Jacob & Company and Bugatti. This partnership represents a fusion of horological expertise and automotive heritage, showcasing meticulous craftsmanship and attention to detail in every aspect of the watch's design and construction. The Bugatti Chiron watch is a symbol of luxury and innovation, appealing to enthusiasts who appreciate the blend of high-end watchmaking and automotive excellence.